Alright, so since we've got this far, I'm just going to go ahead and rekey it anyways. We've already dumped this out, so we're going to take the 0-pinned bitted key out. And the reason I order 0-bitted is because I can always use the key pins and the key blanks when I order this. Then I can reuse all this stuff and make it whatever I want. We'll just put in a regular pre-cut Schlage. And we've got 36533. So we'll just put our O pins in the O pin container. And what did I say? 36533. Okay. A little more difficult to put them in that window than it looks. Just that little bit of space kind of messes with your fingers. 3, 6. I don't know what it is today. I can't hold on to anything. And 5. Bingo. If for some reason you can't get that pin down, I have seen these pins get stuck. You can go ahead and pull the clip off right here and follow the cylinder out in a more conventional method. But we'll just go ahead and roll that back over. Works very nice. Our pin is back out. Sometimes stuff gets jammed into that pin and it won't work, in which case you need to remove this back pin and get that to come out, and you can pull the whole cylinder out that way. There's no access from the top, but it does look like there are 2 hardened inserts in the top here. So let's just put this back together. Working quite nicely. Get a screwdriver. Let's hope that all worked, because it's locked now. Bingo. That's how you can repin that. You can repin it to many different cylinders. This is just a Schlage Sc1. It'll take the 6-pin Sc4. I think you can order it in quite a few different keyways. So for commercial application, awesome lock. It's going to rekey the same way, irregardless of the keyway, unless they have a high security keyway. But that's how we rekey this, and next we're going to start testing the durability and strength of this thing. Stick around.